Alright guys, we're gonna watch another pistol round from me. Yeah, we lost hard. Well, actually we lost by like 3 rounds. There we go. Alright guys. Alright, team that MLG first shot. Alright. We go up cat to up the team. Kaka gets picked and Dirt gets picked. I didn't see him. Kill him. I get hurt for 15. He comes after me. He dies. Then I got scared. I thought he was gonna shoot me. And the long guy, boom, headshot. Last one. I thought he was gonna be CT spawn because he dropped, but it wasn't. Yeah, I pre-fired it. I got 9 bullets left from my gun. I go long. The ace right there. Boom. Good shit.